my channel. So I just want to do this quick video and show you guys the oils that I always use in my hair in my videos. A lot of people ask me what I put in them, and I basically just put whatever oils I have on hand and whatever oils is best for like hair growth and stuff. So first I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil, and what this does is it maintains a healthy scalp. It makes your hair soft and shiny, and also I just love the smell of olive oil. You can put it on your skin, anything, like it's really good for your skin and stuff and your hair. Next is the Flaxseed Oil. It looks really ugly because I just found this in my dad's room. He had it for a long time. But this maintains a healthy scalp. It regrows hair that you have lost. It conditions coarse hair, and if you use it regularly, it can slow your graying process. So it's really good for your hair. Next, I have the Sweet Almond Oil, and what this does is it it promotes long, healthy hair. It reduces dandruff, promotes healthy scalp, and makes hair shiny. Next, Castor Oil. This stuff is really, really good for hair growth. It thickens your hair, stimulates hair growth, prevents dandruff, and it nourishes your hair follicles. And then the Jojoba Oil. This is my first time putting this inside of one of my oils, but what it does is it nourishes dry, brittle hair, stimulates hair growth, and prevents split ends and dandruff. Coconut oil, I always use this. It's just like a natural conditioner and a natural hair grower. So I always use coconut oil no matter what. Coconut oil, olive oil, always. Okay, so this is vitamin E enhancer. I didn't show it in the beginning of the video, but I really just put it in there because it's used as a preservative. If you make any type of oil products or anything like that to make it last longer, just use vitamin E oil. Then I have tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is really good for cleansing your scalp. It clears clogged pores. It kills bacteria and fungus, and it soothes itchy skin, and it's really good for like giving you like that cold stimulating feeling on your scalp. This is also my first time using Yang oil. And this is good because it treats hair loss caused by stress and alopecia, and then it conditions and takes away lice. Yeah, so it was my first time using the Lang oil, so I'm trying to kind of see how it works. I like what it says about it, so I want to kind of test it out. Okay, so that's basically all the oil that I use in my hair. Like I said, I switch it out all the time, so that's just what I had on hand today. But honestly, just go on Google, look up any oils that are good for hair growth or good for whatever hair issues that you have that you want to like make better. Just look up, just oils for your hair and what's best for your particular situation, and just do a big old mixture of oils. You can never have too many oils. They all have their own benefits for your hair, and they're all really good for your hair. So now I just also put in a clip of me putting the oils inside of my hair so that you guys can see like the way I use the oil. This is freshly washed hair that I have, and I just basically, like I just showed you guys in the video, I put it inside of my scalp, massage the scalp, and then I also put it on my strands just to kind of get the oil absorbed everywhere in my hair and scalp, because it's good for everything. So yeah, I'll just let you guys finish watching me put it inside of my hair. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoy. I hope that you guys also found some helpful tips and learned about different oils from the information that I provided. Yeah, so I will see you guys next time.